Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for February 10, 2024, featuring daylight's length and the transitions of Venus, Mercury, Mars, and Saturn. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 6:53 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 5:17 p.m. Today at Chicago's latitude, the length of daylight exceeds darkness. This is not to be confused with the equinox that occurs next month. The 24-hour cycle can be identified as three distinct components: daylight, twilight, and darkness. Daylight occurs between sunrise and sunset. Twilight is the period either before sunrise or after sunset when the sun is below the horizon and the sky is illuminated. Darkness occurs after the end of evening twilight and ends at the beginning of morning twilight. The sky is as dark as it gets naturally. Darkness exceeded daylight on October 30, 2023, until today, lasting 102 days. Daylight continues to increase to over 15 hours at the summer solstice. The period when darkness is longer than daylight depends on latitude. At Cocoa, Florida's latitude, the period lasts 59 days, Tucson, Arizona, 80 days, Fayette, Missouri, 98 days, Seattle, Washington, 112 days, and Juneau, Alaska, 120 days. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, Venus continues to rise later each morning as it heads toward a conjunction with the Sun later this year. At 45 minutes before daybreak, the morning star is over 5 degrees above the southeast horizon. It steps eastward in front of Sagittarius. Venus is overtaking Mars, 5.6 degrees to the brilliant planet's lower left. Look for them through a binocular at 30 minutes before sunrise. A Venus-Mars conjunction occurs on the 22nd. Mercury is moving toward superior conjunction, when the Sun is between the planet and Earth, on the 28th. In the evening sky, Saturn is another planet in transition. Appearing about 5 degrees above the west-southwest horizon at 45 minutes after nightfall, the Ringed Wonder is at solar conjunction on the 28th, along with Mercury's event. 15 minutes earlier, use a binocular to find the razor-thin crescent moon, 2% illuminated, 3.0 degrees to the lower left of Saturn. The crescent is over 5 degrees above the horizon. Tomorrow evening the lunar crescent appears to Saturn's upper left. Saturn sets 77 minutes after sunset. Each evening it sets 4 minutes earlier compared to night's beginning. Bright Jupiter gleams from the southwest after sunset. It moves eastward in front of Aries, approaching an imaginary line made by Hamel, 11.0 degrees to the planet's upper right, and Menkar, 13.1 degrees to the lower left. Jupiter sets around midnight and appears high in the southwest again tomorrow evening. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.